Here is how you find a blog on the WordPress platform in the topic you are researching this semester. So first go to en, which stands for English, en.search.wordpress.com. And then in here, type what you would like to research. So let's say it's pets. We're going to type in pets. Hit enter, and then we have different blogs that show up with the pet category. And you just scroll down and down and down, and you have all your different options. What if your topic is Providence College basketball? You type that in the search box, and look over here on the right. There are related topics. You might find something over here also. But meanwhile, as we scroll down, we see a young boy enjoying his Providence basketball game. But beyond that, we find other types of websites and blogs about Providence College basketball. Maybe you're thinking about where you'll go to college after you finish at CCRI. Well, then perhaps your search topic is finding good colleges for your field. These will be all blogs about that topic. So as you can see, there are all kinds of topics. Now, some of these will be what you want or need, and some of them won't be. So you need to go through and pick out the ones that match up with what your need is. Once you find a blog, now what do you do next? So let's say your topic is New England fishing. And you're looking at the blogs and you say, oh, there's some nice blogs here. Oh, tuna fishing in New England. That sounds good. So the first thing you do is you look at the name of the title of the blog and the URL. Now, the name of the title of this blog is August AABBOTTGPM. That's the name of the blog. And the URL is this whole long part here with the name.wordpress.com. Up to .com is the name of the blog. After that, the rest of this is the name of the specific post you're looking at. So let's go ahead and click on this blog. And now we're gonna... So here's the blog, and now we want to know a little bit about the blog itself. So the first thing you would do is go and click on the article here on the blog and see if this blog post reads well to you. Now you can use a blog post whether it's good or bad. Part of this semester we're spending time learning to weed out the good from the weak. So you click on this, read the blog post and see, does it fit what you want or need? Now let's get some more background about who wrote the blog, and the way to do that is to click on About. So now we click on About, and this is the About page. Yes, this is the About page. All it says is About, all about boating, Boating Bite, all about boating. This About page is pretty much close to useless. So you might say when you looked at this blog and you're reporting on your results, you'd say, well, this article did or did not look good, but certainly I could tell nothing about the knowledgeability of the people who wrote it because their About page tells me nothing. And next we click on the home page. So here we are on the home page, and this tells us something. This blog is called Boating Bite, and as we can see from the posts, really, although we got to one post that was about fishing, this blog is overwhelmingly about boating itself. So they might have something interesting to say about fishing, but this is not their focus. Here's something else to look at. So we scroll down. This is the very top, by the way. This is the very top blog post there is. This is the latest one they wrote. So we scroll down and we take a look and we say, oh, this was written November 9th last year. They haven't done anything with this blog in at least half a year. And if you scroll down further, you'd find that that's the case. They did a lot of writing in early November, and then we haven't heard from them since. Doesn't mean that what they're saying is inaccurate, but it means they're not a very active source of blogging information. So you want to keep all these things in mind. So when you're writing your research on this, you would say, okay, the blog name is Boat Bites, and the name of the URL is this. This is the URL. So that is what you would write down in the class for your URL for this blog. And now, where would you write your blog post about the research you found? Go to our class blog, and then over here on the right, find your blog, click on it, and write your blog post. If you have any questions, write me an email, lcrogers@ccri.edu.